champion. Heavyweight, world great. Cause I celebrate. World boss run the place. Anything less I get the race. Champion, champion, champion. World great. Cause I celebrate. World boss run the place. Anything less I get the race. Run the damn city, skill at damn man city. Yard man with me plus me link the bad British. Burger bar, thanks a crew, we no have fishy. In a million, give me where you have for me. Yo done richy, bring a couple bad British. And you bring the wheel, it's like a bag, the mount of punch missing. Larry Wolf, and that's so small, me than the mic.
We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'll send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And
undisputed champion. Heavyweight, world great. Cause I celebrate. World boss run the place. Anything less I get the race. Champion. World great. Cause I celebrate. World boss run the place.
One bag of gold medal pan me now. Champion boy, you know the damn thing go. Man up to them and sing your anthem go. Man shell on the goddamn boy. That's why everybody hate the champion boy. Rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never been in the champion boy. Now man I don't a songsters boy. Flight every week me at the goddamn boy. Yeah. Just bust and buy a mansion boy. Champion me at the champion boy. Yeah.
They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.
Did you realize that you are a
undisputed champion. Heavyweight, world great. Cause I celebrate. World boss run the place. Anything less I get the race. Champion. World great. Cause I celebrate. World boss run the place.
Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Did you realize that you were a champion again?
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that. So if you gon' do it just like this. Like this.
That you were a champion again.